G'day, this is episode 2 of February Financial Friday. I was going to talk about stocks and shares and the Freetrade app in this video, but considering the recent hype and news around Bitcoin, we're going to talk about crypto. Let's jump into it. Alright, so let's start with which app I use to buy and sell crypto on. I personally use the Cryptocom app. There's a link in the description if you want to jump on. The referral code works a bit funny, but I'll explain that later. It's a solid platform for what I use it for, because all I use it for is buying and holding crypto. Mainly the two biggest coins, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum, which I've just popped some money into. I think the Crypto.com app is fairly user-friendly and has a clean aesthetic that's easy to read and know what's happening. There are a couple of things I really enjoy about the app. The main one is the crypto earn feature, which is where you stake your cryptocurrency. And to put it in layman's terms, like I tried to find the definition when I didn't know, and it took forever. But staking in the crypto world is basically locking away your cryptocurrency for high per annum returns. So I currently have the majority of my Bitcoin locked away in crypto earn at 4.5% annum for 3 months. And that's just, I get regular payouts in Bitcoin itself. So it's not like it's giving it to me in pounds and then it's paying me out in Bitcoin, it's just better than any high street savings account. A few of the cons are, when I first joined the app, I could bank transfer pounds into there and not have to pay a credit card fee, but they're currently switching providers, so I have to pay a transaction fee for putting money into my account at the moment. Another one is I've had people who their banks will not let them fund their account. Not good. I think that's the banks not wanting you to make money and just wanting your money themselves. There are other features that I don't personally use, like their Crypto.com card, which acts as a debit card. But again, to get the really good perks out of it, you need to stake their own cryptocurrency in large amounts. But if you have the spare cash and want to make the most of it, there are rewards like completely free Netflix, completely free Spotify, etc., etc. And you can get better rates on your staking for owning one of the cards. But personally for me, I'm just buying the cryptocurrency on their platform and holding it and riding the wave. Now let's circle back to the referral code that's down in the description. If you use my referral code and then stake 5,000 of Crypto.com's own coin, which, to remind you again, staking is basically locking it away in high interest, then you will get $25 added to your account, and I will get $25 added to my account. But I generally don't suggest you do that, because the Crypto.com coin itself is very volatile, and locking away 5,000 of them, which I think at the moment would run you about between 250 and 280 quid. It's up to you. If you're okay with that money skyrocketing and going low and high and low and high and never knowing what it's going to do, then go for it. But that's how the referral code works. So why do I invest in crypto, and why do I see the value of putting money into it? Well, especially over the past year where cash has pretty much become null and void and everything's done on card, we're transitioning more to a digital version of money. And who doesn't want not having to change your money before you go on holiday or anything like that? I genuinely think it is the future of currency. And it takes the power out of the governments who govern the money and puts it more into the consumer, which I think is the way we should be going forward. Some specialists seem to think that in the next few years, Bitcoin will inflate up to about $500,000, which is about 10 times where it is now. So if you're putting money in now, there's a possibility it's going to 10x in the next few years. Bitcoin is a finite thing. There's only so many Bitcoin that can be mined. So as demand goes up and we're not getting any more, the price is just going to go up. On to the recent news and why I'm making this cryptocurrency video before doing the stocks and shares and Freetrade video. So last week, Tesla announced their earning reports or cash flow something, and basically said that back in January, they put 15% of their cash, which was 1.5 billion, into Bitcoin. And that shot the price of Bitcoin way up. It went up to, I think it was £35,000, whereas the previous highest peak was £30,000. On top of that, Apple came out and said that they're looking into cryptocurrency as well. So we've got two of the largest companies in the US basically adopting cryptocurrency. So you've got Apple and you've got Tesla. And last year, PayPal came out and said that they're going to be using crypto as well. So you've got three massive players. All we need now is Facebook, Netflix, and Google to come out and say, yeah, we're on board as well. Oh, and Amazon. We need Amazon. Bezos, buy Bitcoin.
I've got this.
So let me know if you're interested in cryptocurrency, or if you have any questions or anything really down in the description below. Let me know what you feel about it. Please give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.